Alright, today we are going to read Wordy, Birdy, written by Tammi Sauer and illustrated by Dave Montram. Do you think this book is fiction? Is it fantasy? Or is it non-fiction, real life? What do you think just by looking at the cover? And keep thinking as we read. It says, "Yay! You're so close to the story right now. Just turn the page." It's a talking bird. Is that fiction? She's very excited. I am too. Well, we are in a pretty great book. We got some talking animals. Wordy Birdy. Meet Wordy Birdy. Wordy Birdy has lots to say. It starts the moment she wakes up. See? Hello, sunrise. Hello, pink sky. Hello, orange sky. Hello, yellow sky. Hello, oh, hello, gorgeous. Sometimes Wordy Birdy talks about what she likes. I like spaghetti and unicorns and library books and polka dots and standing on my head, and sometimes she talks about what she doesn't like. I don't like tall grass or turtlenecks or long lines or tuna salad or losing my balloon, or sometimes she just asks questions. Why do zebras have stripes? Is Bigfoot real? Are we there yet? But she never stops talking long enough to get the answers. Wordy Birdy is not the world's best listener. Oh, please, says this rabbit. Are we talking about the same bird here? That's more like it. Okay. Wordy Birdy is terrible at listening. She never listens to anybody. Even when she should. This one time, I totally went swimming with a narwhal. My third cousin Barb is a penguin. Really? Do you think there's an award for Bird of the Year? Fact. People used to think the world was flat and you could fall right off the end. One day, Wordy Birdy takes a walk into the deep woods. Naturally, she has plenty to say. That's a pretty tree, and that's a pretty danger sign, and that's a pretty tree, and danger ahead, turn back. Before long, Squirrel zips in front of Wordy Birdy. Stop! Don't go any further. Does Wordy Birdy listen? She does not. Ooh, pine cone. Ooh, a sign. Ooh, a leaf. Ooh, a rock. The sign says wrong way. Soon Rabbit dashes onto the scene. Go back while you still can. Does Wordy Birdy listen? She does not. Yay, my favorites. Strawberries for me, and carrots for me, and tomatoes for me. This sign says, no trespassing. Then Raccoon gives a piece of advice. Run for your life! Oh no, what is going to happen? Does Wordy Birdy listen? Let's see. What do you think? Says the raccoon. Whoa! It's getting darker and darker and darker and darker and darker. And look at here! White circles and triangles. I love white circles and triangles and... Uh-oh. What did Wordy Birdy find? Oh! Do Squirrel, Rabbit, and Raccoon just leave Wordy Birdy there? We do not! Come on, follow us. This way. And Wordy Birdy? She listens. Hooray! That was almost unbearable. We made it. Then Wordy Birdy says thank you the best way she knows how. I love you guys. Like I really, really, really love you. Seriously, I love you more than spaghetti and unicorns, and Wordy Birdy still talks a lot. A lot. See? But sometimes, she says, good night, sunset. Good night, orange sky. Good night, purple. Oh, good night, you. Remember when we totally saved you from that bear? That was so cool. We were brave and amazing, and she likes to listen too. Now that's what I call a good story. I'm going to read it again and again and again. And then she'll read it approximately 523 more times. This is true. Yup.